like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's not hard to say how I feel. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's kinda easy now 'cause it's real. Hey. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Well, hi everybody. How are you today? Yes, okay. My microphone is on this time for reading this book. You'll find it quite funny that the first time I tried to record this book for you, I had the whole thing done and I went to listen to see how it sounded and I was on mute. Yeah, I was on mute. I'm hoping the sound is okay today because I am obviously in a different place. I am coming to you from Annalena and Philip's kitchen. And with any luck, the kids won't be home before I get the story done for you for this Thursday, or coming up on when I'm at Creator Camp, which will be like the 12th, I think it is, that this is going to be happening. So the name of the book, though, tonight, you'll get a kick out of all of this, is Be Quiet. Yeah. And the first time I did it, I had the whole thing on mute the whole time. Oh well. But today, hopefully, it'll work. Hopefully the sound is good and we can have a great story. It's a funny one. It's hilarious. Some of your old favorite characters are coming in for this and we'll be revisiting, but it's a little special edition of Sunday Funnies on Thursday instead. So I hope you're ready for this book called There. Oh, I almost did it again. There. I had to get the overlays out of the way so I could see the fiddle-dee-dee book and everything. But as I looked down, I was looking at my sound panel and my microphone was muted again. So I fixed it. So let's get going for Be Quiet by Ryan T. Higgins. And I am just going to drop this little thing down to smaller. Yes, be quiet. Do you think he's talking to us? I don't think so. We never say anything. Finally, I get my very own book to star in. This is going to be great. I'm going to make it a wordless book. They are very artistic. This book will have no words at all, starting now. Rupert the Mouse presents Be Quiet by Ryan T. Higgins. Oh, okay, starting now. Hi, Rupert. What are you? Shh, be quiet. This book does not have words. Ooh, wow, we a wordless book. Can I help? Oops, I'm talking. Eep, I'm talking about talking. Ooh, stop. The book already started. You're messing it up. Please let me stay in the book. I promise to be quiet. I'll be extra wordless. Promise. I said be quiet. This book is wordless. Hey guys, what's with all the shouting? Hi Thistle, we're making a wordless book, but I promise to be quiet, so I can't tell you about it. A wordless book? I love those. They're very artistic. Can I be in it? Yes, but we won't tell Rupert since we're not supposed to be talking. I told you to be quiet. You're putting too many words in the book. Yeah, this book is gonna be fun. Quiet, you. This book will be more than fun. It will be visually stimulating. What does visually strigulating mean? I think it means we're going to poke our readers in the eyeballs with pictures. That's not what it means. It means we need to have strong illustrations. Like this.
Ooh, look, we're helping.
No, you're not. Be quiet. This is a wordless book. Rupert is right, Nibs. This book needs, what it needs is some strong but silent types.
Strong but silent. What about him? He's strong. He's silent.
Every book needs a bear in it. I don't know. He looks grumpy. What about something cuter?
What about a kitten?
Kittens are super cute and friendly.
Oh, look at those cute little nose and whiskers.
And its beautiful big eyes and shiny teeth. Ooh, Nibs, I think it's getting a little too friendly. Quick, think of something vegetarian.
A cucumber. We'll just draw a smile on it and some googly eyes. And there, a vegetarian.
Nibs, what exactly do you think a vegetarian is? Stop filling my brilliant piece of wordless literature with nonsense and stop talking. You're not taking this seriously.
Is this more serious?
What are you supposed to be, a president?
No, I'm Vincent Van Mouse.
I don't think everyone will get that. Can you try something simpler?
We're simple.
We're potatoes. Stop talking and stop changing the pictures around. I don't even like potatoes. Rupert is right. No more artistic stuff. Wordless books need action. We should have a silent superhero instead. We'll call him Captain Quiet, and he could fight words. Captain Quiet, that vocabulary vigilante. Pow! Kaboom! Blam! No superheroes and no onomatopoeia either.
I think Rupert just said, I'm a gonna pee ya. What do you think that means?
I think it means he should have gone to the bathroom before the book started.
What about mimes? Mimes are extra quiet. Guess what I'm miming?
Let's see. Is it a cheese sandwich that thinks it's a hummingbird with a lettuce sweater? Don't you know what be quiet means? It means don't make a sound. Right. Like it's that saying about a tree falling in the woods. How's it go? Nibs, can you help?
I'm on it.
It goes something like, if a tree falls on someone who isn't listening in the woods. No, that's not right.
Timber! Ah!
Did the tree make a sound? Oh, it was hard to tell with all the Rupert shouting. Should we try again? Enough! I have had it. All you two do is talk. I can't stand it. Can't you be quiet for just one page? I try to do one thing, make a wordless book, and you two have to go and ruin it. You have filled this book with words. No one is going to want to read a wordless book that is filled with words. Why can't you do a simple thing like not say anything? Why can't you just do a simple thing like not say? Is that hard? I am quiet. I'm not saying anything, but no, you two have to just keep talking and 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 talking. Psst! What?
Shh! Be quiet. This book does not have words.
I thought the book turned out okay.
I hope we do another one soon.
Honk. There's Bruce and his goose from Mother Bruce at the end there. Oh my goodness. Some of our books came back. How fun is that? How fun is that? Okay, let's see where I am. Me. I think I'm supposed to be here. Yay! I'm trying to do this all on one computer. I hope you guys liked that. I have a poem. I'll have to pull it up from someplace else and just read it from the book of Poems for a Better World. And let's see, Dictionary for a Better World. Let's see where we are with that one. But I hope you guys like that. It's so funny. Wordless books are just so hilarious about different things. Let's see. We were on ease, and we had empathy, and we did equality. Exercise. Oh, that would have been me this morning. I went swimming in the pool this morning, first thing at 7. Exercise. If you ignore this vessel, if you learn nothing about how to love your body, how will your bones, muscles, organs know how to work? As one, your cells will forget themselves unless you move. Shake, stretch, sail. Hey, you, celebrate what carries you across currents. It's the least you can do. And that was a golden shovel poem, kind of. What is it? It's inspired by a line of poetry, text, or quote constructed so that the ending word of each line, when read top to bottom, composes that line. Nothing will work unless you do. Oh, this poem was built around the quote, "Nothing will work unless you do" by Maya Angelou. Well, that's pretty cool. And let's see. Yes. Anyway, that's my poem. And that's what we have for tonight, for tonight's story. I know it was a short one and it's a quick one, but yeah, I wanted to have some laughs on a special Thursday. I'm at Creator Camp, and I know it will be pretty spectacular. And I'll tell you all about it when I get back. And I'll be back in Phoenix, Mesa on the next one. But I'll do a live when I'm back on that. So until next time, everybody, take care. Give yourself a high five and keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you. And you know the first place you'll find it is when you go look in the mirror. And I'll see you next time.
Not you, not her, not him or them gon' stop me from getting mine now. Not you, not her, not him or them gon' silence my rising inner child. And every time I look up in the sky, I know it'll be alright. Yeah. And every time I look up